on the beach out at Sand Key, talking with Doc Master Joe. Land chalk lager in a koozie, into the water I go, swimming around with the mermaids, pirate ship coming our way. I can hear the music from shepherds, invoke the rule of parlay. I'm on the path of least resistance, no one will get in my way. Working on my buzz with persistence, under the royal palm shade. I'm on the path of least resistance, working on my buzz with persistence. Climb back into my hammock, 3-foot straw to my face, listening to Caribbean chillers. Man, I gotta highlight this place. I sing all swell that ends swell. Every day is Palm Sunday, fishing with the net in the tide pool. Never put work above play. I'm on the path of least resistance, no one will get in my way. Working on my buzz with persistence, under the royal palm shade. I'm on the path of least resistance, working on my buzz with persistence. Went to the movie, saw Hoot twice. Mr. Ryan sure was cool, teaching kids marine science, untucked and barefoot in school. That's the way we should all be. I think I'm on the right path. Traveling through life in a hurry will leave us caught up in the wrath. I'm on the path of least resistance, no one will get in my way. Working on my buzz with persistence, under the royal palm shade. I'm on the path of least resistance, working on my buzz with persistence. On the path of least resistance, under the royal palm shade. On the path of least resistance.